Welcome back to our channel. This is your girl Eka Farm. Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna show you how we made this super delicious chicken recipe. So yummy, and you know what? Crunchy. I'm gonna show you the step by step how we made it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, let's go. We started by deboning the chicken. Yes, I had to remove the bone from the chicken. After removing the bone, we season the chicken with chicken seasoning, chili pepper, paprika, and barbecue seasoning. I need to mention here that I use salt to rinse the chicken before starting the whole of this. So in case you don't use salt to wash your own chicken, you might choose to add salt to it. Okay, thank you. We set the seasoned chicken aside for about 1 hour. You need to enjoy this. Here comes the secret, the rice flour. We use the rice flour instead of the regular flour. Try using the rice flour this time. You're gonna have your chicken crunchy and you will enjoy it. Right here, I folded the chicken inside out as if I was going to make a boat, or rather, the chicken breast. Okay, but you saw the part of the chicken we used. So I folded it inside and I made sure I tried to close it up with the flour. Just this way. Remember, the whole idea is to have this chicken crunchy. So I repeated the step by using just one egg, whisk it, then I folded in the chicken and fried. We had this going into the oven for about 10 minutes and it came out crunchy, delicious, like super delicious. I'm sure you're gonna try it. We enjoy this chicken with a salad and bread. Delicious.
Like it. Like it too. I use rice flour to make the chicken.
Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.